So the best diet on the Qenda Ultimate Fibre is the same as the best diet, healthy diet for people when they're not consuming the Qenda Ultimate Fibre. So a simple one is avoid grains where possible, or if you can't always avoid grains, try to only have it once a day or something like that. You can replace grains with stuff like sweet potatoes and squash and pumpkin. Like tubers are amazing. They're a lot healthier than grains. Grains are notoriously hard on the digestive system, and quite a few of them have gluten in, and gluten, as you may or may not know, can create a lot of problems in the body. Another big one is avoid pork, because pork has like toxins in it and parasites and stuff. Another big one, easy one, is stop drinking tap water. Like, you can soon go to the co-op down the road and get 5 litres of bottled spring water for like £1.20. Yes, I understand there's plastics in it, but you don't have all the impurities that come in tap water, like feces and other people's medications, chlorine and fluoride. So yeah, or you can get a water filtration system and put it in your kitchen, and then always have purified water. That is quite important. It's not crucial on the Qenda, but I definitely recommend it. And everyone that I've spoke to about the water, once they've gone off tap water and tried it for a week, they never go back to the tap water. They can't. They can smell the chlorine in it, and it's disgusting. Some other ones is minimise sugars. Sugars obviously lower the immune system and feed the bad bugs in the intestines. And then also eat your food, like aim for an organic diet, as much organic as possible. If not, just keep away from the foods that are in the environmental working group's dirty dozen. They are the foods that have the highest amount of pesticides and fungicides on it, and the most chemicals. Ideally, you want a chemical-free diet, and also a diet that has minimally processed foods. You want a whole food diet. Normally, you can just go and look on the back of the ingredients, and if there's more than 5 ingredients in anything, you know, it's got a lot of additives and E numbers and preservatives in there. That's not good for your gut health, and it's not good for many systems in your body. So yeah, real whole foods, as chemical free as possible, and yeah, you'll be fine, and whatever works for you. And obviously if you've got gluten intolerance, keep away from gluten.